am 51 and I swear by this stick. So this fills in those smoker lines. It's great for under eye hollows, fine lines, and wrinkles. I have been using this for months now, and the change I have seen, especially right here, you can do your marionette lines, is awesome. So this is volume enhancing. So any of those little crevices that we have, use this on the daily. I actually keep one in my purse. So anytime it's almost like my lip balm. So anytime I'm feeling a little dry, like I'm always hydrating right here. I'll do this in the morning before makeup, and these lines as well, morning and night. The biggest improvement I've seen is right here. Give it time. It doesn't happen overnight. Like I see a lot of these younger girls talking about this as if it's a miracle. It's not a miracle, but it works over time. So stick with this and you'll start seeing those fine lines, under eye hollows, wrinkles start plumping up. I just started using this as a concealer this weekend. I am so impressed. So I am 51 years old, and I don't know about you, but it's really hard to find concealers that don't crease into the fine lines and wrinkles and actually make them look worse. This is kind of gel-like, and very little goes a long way. So let me just show you this. So I have pink undertones, and it kind of tells you if you have this, use that. So look at it, I barely used any. And it's such good coverage, and it just blends in super nice. There is hydrolyzed elastin in here. That is what gives your skin that bounce back. There is calcium in here too. There is Riboric. Over time, those are going to help make your under eyes just a little bit more resilient. If you've been trying to find an under eye concealer that does not make you look worse, this might be the one. She's correct. Most of these cream bundles do not come with any sunscreen. So I'm going to show you the two that I use from Kopari, and this is from Beauty of Joseon. This has a 50 SPF. This has a 40. So I'll just show you so you can make a decision for yourself, the consistency. So they're both a light tint, all good for any skin types, really. So look at how light, it's just changed so much over the years. Like these are just lightweight, beautiful sunscreens. And what I love about both of these is they almost go on as a primer. So I barely rubbed it in. You can see that little bit of glow that you'll get, especially once it dries, you'll see that better. And Beauty of Joseon, same thing. Very, very lightweight, both of them. So it just kind of depends on, this one's a little bit of a lighter tone, but it does just dry in really nice. I let them dry a little bit. So I feel like the Kopari, a little bit of darker undertones, where the Beauty of Joseon might be a little bit lighter, but really essentially they're going to give you a nice glowy, dewy look. And then if you wear makeup, do that next. I will link both of them down below. Thank you. What she's referring to is I did a video talking about, I used to use medical grade skincare, medical grade. My skin looked like this before using medical grade, thinking I look good. I'm an esthetician and that's what my skin looked like. I cannot believe it. Medical grade is overhyped, totally marketed to, overpriced stuff. So is some of it good? Sure. Are there just as great options in Korean skincare? 100%. So that's why I get super frustrated, is because you can get a system like this one. This is the very best one you can do for anti-aging, for like under $100, and you can change your skin and it will last for months and months. You need a quality cleanser. This one is going to clean out your pores. It has salicylic acid in there. So if you have sebaceous filaments, which are the little things that look like blackheads, but they're not, or blackheads or whiteheads, or you're oily, this is going to help with that. It's great for taking off makeup too. You need a good hydrating toner. This has PDRN. It has Cica in there for calming. Lots of quick hydration in here to prep your skin for your serums. This is the PDRN serum. This is your anti-aging best friend. This is an anti-ager, anti-wrinkle, anti-fine lines, anti-inflammation, everything. This is just as good as the $180 serum that I literally used to buy. This is an amazing collagen jelly cream. This is so hydrating. Sometimes people say this feels tacky. It's because you need so little. It's that hydrating. Collagen will plump up your fine lines and wrinkles. It'll give you that bounce in your skin again. And then we have our some of the time things. These are all the time. These are some of the time. You'll use your pore pads. These are going to clear out pores. They will help with texture issues if your skin feels rough. It's a chemical exfoliant. You're only going to use these 2 times per week. You get the microneedling in a bottle. This has little hydrolyzed spicules in here. They dissolve once they are in your skin, but they deliver chemical exfoliants and they deliver lactoexosomes. Lactoexosomes is the anti-aging, so it's driving deep into the epidermis. Lactoexosomes is a patented formulation from Medicube. It is peptides, amino acids, glutathione, and vitamins. Don't sleep on this one. This is only once a week. The collagen night wrapping mask. This is your quick pick-me-up with long-term benefits. If you feel your skin is lackluster, put a mask on. You also get the 4-pack of the PDRN masks. These are hydrating, these are anti-aging. Again, when your skin feels less than, that is when you want to add that treatment in of a mask. Korean skincare is affordable. It is a the game by like 50 years. So I will link this bundle down below. Let me know if you have any questions.